Hi, hello everyone. So happy to be here. Today is the second day of the continuous leave for the Time Sweeping Festival, the Qingming Festival. I am very happy with the relaxing tempo in the continuous leave. It's really so released and I can just enjoy the continuous leave to do something I like. Yesterday, I just laid myself to have an entire leave one day, so I didn't post anything. These days, the very important thing is that I have to prepare the next week, 9th April to the 2nd May. I have go to be trained for a serious computer courses content, so that will be very important to me. And before the training month, my supervisor accounted to me that I have to prepare something that will be tested on the lecture. So that is very important to me. I don't want to miss any test that I will encounter. So that is very important to me. And I don't know how to express my feeling, but the first day and the second day I come to the computer school, I just have something information given to me, and I realized a little bit about the computer courses. That is very various and colorful, and here are so many courses in the school. I counted, it's just about 52 more courses in the school they offer to the student to learn. So that is very professional. I think so many people come here can just obtain what they want to get in a school's consulting. So that is very professional, and I feel that is absolutely excellent. And beside the courses offering, the school still offer another way that a student can obtain a certification. That is very significant. The school I go to is a school that not only responsible for offering the courses to students, but also teach students how to obtain the certification. So they still offer other courses that is for how to obtain the certifications. So that is very entire perfect service. You not only offer how to learn the programs, but also you give the classes to help student obtaining the certifications. Besides the third, the school still offer the opportunities of the employee So in the school, you can not only first you can learn the programs. The second, you can just get your certifications. The third, the school also offer the chances and the opportunity that you can find a good job. The school cooperate with the company which is offer job opportunities, so that the computer school can offer some chances or interviews from the company which is offering the employment. So in a school that is entirely perfect service, I really feel very pleasure I can be in there and to learn something about this. That is absolutely fantastic. So afterward, if I still stay in that school, I will just introduce something to you. To learn the computer courses is a very interesting thing. Not only the AI, but the video producing and the design, interior design, or just the other thing design. And you can just from the learning to know how the giant, how the almighty the computer courses is. That is very interesting thing. Okay, come back to the original point. Today we are going to talk about the diffusion in the chemistry. Okay, that's the video, and that's the last video. We finished the literature about definitions and the equations around the topic diffusion. So today we are going to solve questions. Okay, so we are going to solve questions. Okay, let's see the first question. The first question is here. It is said that in a closed container, the container is entirely closed, and in the container, here are mixed air. The mixed air are helium and argon. Then the mixed air reach the balanced situation. So following sentence and descriptions, which one is correct? Okay, A say the helium and the argon's velocity of diffusion are the same. B say argon's average kinetic energy is higher than helium. C say argon's average kinetic energy is lower than helium. The D say the helium average motion velocity is higher than argon. E say argon and helium's average kinetic energy are the same. Okay, before we are going to solve these questions, I want to give you some notes to lead you to have an ideology to think about, comprehend your thoughts, to compose some way or direction you can just easily to solve this question. Okay, the note. First, when we talk the item A, the velocity of diffusion is proportional to the collision frequency. from the area with the unit time, and also proportional to the n divided by v, and proportional to the n divided by v multiply the root tn. So the velocity of diffusion is proportional to the collision frequency from the area with time unit, and also proportional to the mv, and also proportional to the nv tn, and proportional to the n 1 divided by m root. Okay, here the v can ignore and the t can ignore. Okay, and the mixed air Vt are the same. Okay, and the two, the B, C, D, the average kinetic energy, average kinetic energy EK equal 3/2 kT. So the T can ignore. So the temperature is the same. Then EK the same. The 3, D, average velocity V is proportional to the T can ignore, and the proportion to the 1 of n root. Okay, that is the 1, 2, 3 I want you to notice. And now And now, because the velocity of the diffusion is proportional to the collision frequency from the area with the time unit, portion to the NVV, portion to the NVTM root, portion to the N1M root. So we know that HE is 4 and the argon is 40. So when we talk about the A item, the velocity of diffusion proportional to the N. Because 1N is not known, 2M is different. So A is wrong. Okay. The BCE. BCE, I have explained it. So then choose E. And the D, the V proportional to the 1M root. Therefore, the V helium to the V argon will equal 1 of 4 root to the 1 of 40 root will equal 10. Therefore, the V helium is higher. Choose D, E. Okay, that is all. Can you feel that is very simple to comprehend? And after explanation, I think that is easy to solve this question. And that is not hard, just some concept and the equations using. And I think you have to make yourself frequently acquainted with. That will be better if you want to improve your ability on the question solving. So to acquainted question is a key point away. So that is very, very important too. Okay, another one question here. C. Here is a glasses tube that is 1 meter long. The two sides pack the stopcock. You know the stopcock? STOPCOCK, stopcock. The two sides pack the stopcock. The stopcock outside still have the containers. The containers has the HCl and the NH3 air, the two kinds of air. So the two stopcocks, among the two stopcocks, maintain the same pressure air with the HCl and the NH3. If in the same times we suddenly and in the coincident time, release and open the two sides stopcock to make the NH3 and the HCl to make this fusion. And when the two air meet and happen, the reaction, chemical reaction, and produce the white mist NH4Cl, give you the atom quantity weight. The N is 14, the H is 1, Cl is 335.5. So the following description, which one is correct? A say the white mist appear at the place that is from the NH3 in a distance of the 33 cm. The B say the white mist appear at the place that from the NH3 stopcock for the 41 cm. C say that the white mist appear at the place from the NH3 stopcock for the distance that is 59 cm. And the D say the white mist appear at the place from the NH3 stopcock for the distance is 67 cm. Okay, here is the picture. This is the 1 to stopcock, and beside the stopcocks, here are two containers. One is NH3, another is HCl. Today we just open the stopcock, then the air will just encounter in the central place, and the chemical action will produce the white mist. And the question asks you how to know the white mist appear. How to know where the white mist appear. So the note you have to know is this question is a experiment. Okay. Experiment. is an experiment. It's an experiment. So the gram diffusion law is here. The RNH3 to the RHCl is similar with the NHCl root and the NH3 root. So from the note, the RNH3 to the RHCl is equal 36.5 root 7 root is similar to the 1.46. Because the velocity is proportional to the distance of walking. Therefore, the LNH3 to the LHCl will equal RNH3 to the RHCl is equal 1.46, and LHCl equal 1 minus LNH3. Bring in. So the LNH3 1 minus LNH3 is equal 1.46. Then the LNH3 is equal 0.59 meter is equal 59 cm. Therefore, the LHCl is equal 0.41 meter. Therefore, choose C. So the white maze is appearing the place from the stopcock. The NH3 is the 59 meter. Okay, that is today's questions. Okay, so that is very important. This question, you have to know the gram diffusion law. The gram diffusion law, and bring the condition into the equation and to compare with it. And you have to know the velocity is proportional to the distance of walking. So you can just to arrange the equation that to know the value that you want to seek for. So we know the gram diffusion law. So the RNH3 to the RHCl is equal to 36.5 and 17 root. So it is similar to the 1.4046. And the L, the long, the L, the NH3 to the HCl is equal to R. The RNH3 RHCl, so that is equal to 1.46. Besides, the LHCl is equal 1 minus the LNH3 to bring in it. Then we just know that. The LNH3 is the LN3 of the 1 minus LN3 is equal 1.446. So the LN3 is the 0.59 meters. So then we know that the white mist appear at the place from the NH3 is the distance for the 59 cm. Okay, that's today's questions. Very happy with you all, and hope we can just have another time to be together and have a merry time. And hope all of you the blessed life and the marvelous hopeful future that you can obtain. So thank you for your watching. So see you next time. Bye bye.